I may say religious faith come later, but right from the beginning, after we're born, we received a maximum compassion from our mother. That's the real source of happiness. So my mother, very, very kind to me. At a very young age, my mother takes me very seriously. My point is, we call karuna, compassion. It's the ultimate source of happiness, and including healthy body, mind, no anger, no anxiety, completely relaxed. That also, I think, immense helpful for our health. According to my own experience, I can tell you, karuna, we call karuna. Karuna is the key factor for happy life. And karuna brings inner peace, and that also usually brings physical strength.